Welcome back to Miss Auto Review. Today, we're diving into the much-anticipated 2025 Bajaj King Enterprise Auto Rickshaw, a vehicle that's set to redefine urban commuting with its blend of performance, comfort, and efficiency. Bajaj has long been a dominant force in the auto rickshaw market, and the 2025 King Enterprise model continues this legacy. Under the hood, it boasts a robust 200cc four-stroke engine, delivering enhanced power and fuel efficiency, key factors for drivers navigating bustling city streets. Comfort hasn't been overlooked. The spacious cabin is designed to accommodate up to 3 passengers comfortably, featuring ergonomic seating and improved legroom. The suspension system has also been upgraded, ensuring a smoother ride over uneven terrains. Safety features in the 2025 model have seen significant enhancements. The inclusion of a reinforced chassis and improved braking system provides better stability and control, offering peace of mind to both drivers and passengers. Now, let's talk about the expected price. While official figures from Bajaj are yet to be released, industry insights suggest that the 2025 King Enterprise Auto Rickshaw will be competitively priced within the range of 400,000 Pakistani rupees to 500,000 Pakistani rupees. This estimation aligns with current market trends for similar vehicles in Pakistan. For context, other auto rickshaw models in Pakistan are priced as follows. Sazgar Deluxe Mini Cab, Rs. 280,000. Sazgar Royal Deluxe 200cc, Rs. 380,000. Sazgar Deluxe XLA, Rs. 495,000. Super 200cc, Rs. 525,000. Supreme 200cc Limited Edition, Rs. 420,000. These figures provide a benchmark, indicating that Bajaj's pricing strategy remains in line with its competitors. In summary, the 2025 Bajaj King Enterprise Auto Rickshaw promises to be a game-changer in urban transportation. Its combination of powerful performance, enhanced comfort, and advanced safety features positions it as a top contender for drivers seeking reliability and efficiency. Stay tuned to Miss Auto Review for more updates on the latest in the automotive world. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and insights. Until next time, drive safe and stay informed.